The Ratcheting Adjustable Wrench. Patented by several country magical wrench ratcheting adjustable wrenches. With just a slight turn of the button, the ratcheting function starts and the multi-function wrench turns into a hook one. The multi-function wrench gathers all advantages together. It can be used with ease, even for square nuts. Unlike socket ratcheting wrenches, ratcheting adjustable wrenches do not need too much operational space. They can be turned continuously, as long as the ratcheting starts. Therefore, ratcheting adjustable wrenches are number one. Let's compare a ratcheting adjustable wrench with an open wrench and a socket ratcheting wrench, while all of them are working to remove 3 screws. An open wrench has to constantly change angles in order to unscrew. However, a ratcheting adjustable wrench can easily turn and remove the screw without changing angles. Socketed wrenches have to change different sockets with different sizes of nuts, but only a little adjustment has to be made to ratcheting adjustable wrenches. Appropriate open wrenches have to be chosen when it comes to different sizes of nuts, but only a little adjustment has to be made to the ratcheting adjustable wrench. Uh-oh, the box wrench is not able to work due to limitation of space. On the contrary, the ratcheting adjustable one goes on working without considering the space. The ratcheting adjustable wrench is suitable for any condition and any work. This is what makes the ratcheting adjustable wrench number one. The ratcheting adjustable wrench comes in many different sizes.